friends, welcome to our channel SGTNs, your online tutorial. Now this name is very new for some of you. Actually, our channel was Math Master, but now because we are putting up videos of all subjects, so now we are not only a Math Master, but now we will try to clear your concepts of almost all the subjects. So rather than Math Master, now it's your SGTN's online tutorial. And students, today with this new name, the first video we will cover of Standard 10th, Chapter 6 Triangles. The topic is Converse of Pythagoras Theorem. Right? Okay, converse. Pythagoras Theorem ka converse. Right? So, according to converse of Pythagoras Theorem, if you have a triangle ABC, and if in this triangle the square of any one side is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to first side, means the angle opposite to AC, is right angle. This is what the theorem wants to tell you, that in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to first side is right angle. Students, जैसे आपने हमारा पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का वीडियो देखा होगा, so in that angle B90 was given. यहाँ पे एंगल B90 हमें प्रूव करना है, और वहाँ पाइथागोरस में प्रूव करना था AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर, and here it is given. And that's why this theorem is converse of Pythagoras theorem. अब इस theorem को कैसे start करेंगे? Please focus. Now to begin with, let us construct a triangle PQR. Now in triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 and BC is equal to QR and AB is equal to PQ. तो हमने एक ट्राइंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है PQR, in which angle Q is 90 and PQ is equal to AB, QR equal to BC. ये हमारा कंस्ट्रक्शन, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? अब स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप ट्राइंगल PQR पे फोकस करें तो ट्राइंगल PQR अकॉर्डिंग टू कंस्ट्रक्शन इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, and in a right angle triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle PQR, angle Q is 90. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR. So 90 के सामने वाली side is hypotenuse. So PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. ये हमने Pythagoras theorem apply किया. Now according to construction, you see that PQ is equal to, चेक करो PQ किसके इक्वल है अकॉर्डिंग टू कंस्ट्रक्शन? AB. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ PQ you write AB and QR is equal to BC. Okay, this is according to construction. Now students, if you have a look at the data, it is written AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is given. तो AB square plus BC square, इसको हम ले लेते हैं AC square. Reason given. So in short, we have proved that PR square is equal to AC square. Square cancel. So PR is equal to AC. Now, if you look at these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and please check in दोनों triangles में कौन सी sides equal है. So AB is equal to PQ according to construction, BC is equal to QR according to construction, and AC is equal to PR. Just now we have proved it. So let me write down. AB is equal to PQ according to construction, BC is equal to QR according to construction, and AC equal to PR. Just now we have proved it. So because all the three sides of this triangle and all three sides of this triangle are equal, so we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR according to SSS. Students, in 9th standard, you must have studied about SSS congruence, right? So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR according to SSS, and because both the triangles are congruent, corresponding angles are equal. It means angle B is equal to angle Q. Corresponding angles are equal. So CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So angle B equal to angle Q. But in construction, angle Q is 90 according to construction, right? So because angle Q is 90 and angle B and angle Q both are equal, hence we prove that angle B is also 90. So students, here we complete a very simple theorem which is called converse of Pythagoras theorem. करना क्या है, एक triangle बनाओ PQR, in this angle Q is 90, PQ is equal to AB, QR is equal to BC. Then you apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR. So PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Instead of PQ, put AB. Instead of QR, put BC. But AB square plus BC square, this is AC square according to data. अब इन दोनों triangles को देखो, AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. So both the triangles are congruent according to SSS. Therefore, angle B and angle Q, these two are the corresponding angles of congruent triangles, so they are equal. And because angle B and angle Q are equal, but angle Q को हमने suppose किया है according to construction 90. And if angle Q is 90, angle B also will be 90. So I hope you are liking our online tutorials. So do comment and do like. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and get all the latest informations. So we will come again with some other videos. Till then, it's time to say bye bye.